Hi! In front of me is REALME C30 and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this REALME device. Firstly, just open Play Store and install your new food app. I will go with Opera Mini browser. When it's ready, click on Home button and go into Devices Settings. Following that, you need to choose Apps and Notifications, click on Default Apps and tap on one of those options. For example, I want to change my browser app, so I have to click on Browser app here, choose Opera Mini to set it up, and click on the Back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!